Hey, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Derrell.
And this is Taste Off,
The show where you challenge us to recreate your favorite restaurant dishes.
We go to the restaurant, we try it, and then we come back here and recreate it in 30 minutes.
And then the challenger comes on and tells us who did a better job.
Definitely me.
It'll always be me.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Another day, another challenge.
Zoe, what up?
What's going on, Derrell?
So Austin has challenged us. I'm excited to see what she challenged us for.
Let's see. I got the video rolling.
Hey guys, this is Austin. I'm challenging you to make my favorite pizza from Triple Beam Pizza. It's chicken sausage with kale and walnut pesto pizza, and it's really, really good. Game on.
Pizza.
What in the world is this? It's not pizza.
What do you mean?
You put kale on a pizza.
Come on.
I have heard that Triple Beam's pizza is the bomb. So
Me too. And here they have like some cool way of serving their pizza, Roman style, I think.
yeah.
Do you know what that is? I don't know what that is.
I have no idea.
All right, let's go check it out. All right, let's see what Austin is challenging us to do. I'm very excited.
Never had pizza in LA, so.
Hi.
Hello?
Oh, girl, it smells so good in here. There's like a whole technique to ordering. Is that right?
Yes, we cut it with the scissors,
I see what you
and
did
we
there.
throw it on the scale, and we charge by the ounce.
We are here for the chicken sausage, kale, walnut pesto.
Good.
That's the one we were told we need to try. I'm gonna do like this.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I think I'm gonna go like an inch bigger than hers. Boom. Any secrets you can share?
Yeah, do you guys have any secrets that you can help us? Who do you got your money on?
Come on now. Come on now.
You
You take the Miami girl.
I am the woman of the people. Whoever put y'all got me, right? Money on me? All right, so here's the chicken sausage, kale, walnut pesto, ricotta cheese pizza.
It does look bomb.
I'm excited. You know what? Any pizza that has kale is a friend of mine because I'm healthy.
Yeah, it
All right,
does.
taste test.
Cheers.
Here we go. Cheers.
It's good. The ricotta actually like mellows it.
I may or may not have just become a kale fan.
It's different than New York pizza. And I think that's intentional. And I respect that that's intentional.
Storing. Mental note.
Don't you fret, I already know how to make this.
I already
don't know what
won,
the
so
sauce is.
I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I think I got this down. And let's just head back to the studio and do a good old-fashioned throwdown, shall we?
Here we are back from Triple Beam Pizza. I'm ready to bust that ass.
Damn, coming in strong. Like, take it easy. All right, we're gonna get 30 minutes on the clock.
Start it up.
Let's
Start
go.
it. No talking. Start this up. I'm ready.
All right. Oh, I thought you were right.
That dough was like a cracker.
I'm gonna make my kale pesto first. You know, I've never cooked with kale.
I don't know. I didn't know what kale was until Beyonce wore a shirt that said kale on it.
I'm gonna toast my walnuts.
It was definitely a bougie ass pizza. But
You gotta stop calling things bougie if they don't have the traditional ingredients. It's not a pesto because it's got tons of cheese on it. Just over here toasting my nuts. That's
wait, do y'all even
investing.
eat pizza in Miami?
What kind of question is that?
I've never seen pizza in Miami.
Pizza's universal.
Taking too long for me. And I drop it.
You are a mess right now.
No, right?
That is so sexy right there.
Yo.
You gotta stop taking my olive oil, bro.
Well, this is a competition. I'm not on your team. Shoot.
Okay.
Not on your team. Massage that kale. What you doing over there, Zoe?
Working my dough situation right now. So
Damn, you ain't got your dough in yet?
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Rookie mistake.
Channel my inner Frankie right now. Alright. Dude, it looks like I'm kind of ahead. I'm about to take another L.
Who?
You. How do I have my pesto done, my chicken sausage done? Hashtag team
Good.
girls. Put some respect.
How long?
How's it going there, bud?
Don't watch me, watch TV. I'm not even
What?
listening. That's good.
This is your pesto?
Yeah, try it. What the fuck is that? That's a pesto.
That's a pesto. That's a.
That ain't no
that is a
pesto.
piece. Oh, God.
There you go, Zaddy.
You're calling yourself Zaddy?
I don't know if you know this, Zoe, but I think very highly of myself. Okay, I'm fine with
Okay.
that. Can I use this really quick? Thanks.
I didn't say yes.
Well, was there a little acid to it? I think so.
Okay. Pesto. Healthy pizza.
I'm behind you. We're gonna do this. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy.
Oh, I already won this one. I already know.
See me over here doing great stuff?
How
How lucky are you?
Boom. Boom.
How
Boom.
lucky are you?
Some more. 7 minutes. Holy shit. Gotta get my pizza in. Gotta get my pizza in. Boom. Winning pizza in the oven.
You don't believe that shit.
Now what? Now we wait.
Zoe, what you over there doing?
Praying to the pizza gods.
I am the pizza god. Go here with your cracker crust.
How many? 1 minute. Let's take it out.
Oh my God, chicken sausage on.
Look at her. Okay. 30 seconds. Extra love. You know what? I'm gonna put the whole. We're gonna get a whole pizza.
Oh shit, 10
Love.
seconds. Where's the plate?
Love.
Where's the plate?
Under the pot.
What pot?
Yeah, I guess you were going for a more
Why you still cooking?
authentic look. You didn't even plate it.
I'm happier with mine.
It's a winner. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go take it for judging.
Mad cute.
That is not a pesto.
Well, look who we have here.
Hello, Austin.
Welcome, Austin.
Thank you so much for challenging us. So you have 2 choices. We both made, our best interpretation of the pizza from Triple Beam. All right, we'll let you judge based off
Okay.
taste and presentation. Do your thing, girl.
Be
Okay.
smart about this.
Okay. Presentation-wise, I'm drawn to this one to begin with. It just is much prettier than this one, to be honest. Although this feels like more of a flat bread, which I think was the challenge. This looks more like a traditional pizza. So I'll start with this one. It's good. It's a little dry. They could use a little more of the ricotta. It was a little salty. This one's not cut. Should I pick the whole thing up and bite it or break it? Nice and warm. Yeah, that's good. The crust on this one's just better. A little heavy on the pesto, but I think I would have to say that this one is the winner.
Hey. Thank you so
I
much.
even wore a Brooklyn hat lost the damn pizza
Yes.
challenge. If you have a restaurant that you want us to try, make sure you hashtag #TasteOff.
Let us know. We're gonna check them out and come back and throw it down again. Thank you for that. I'm good for the day.
Me too.
Told you.
Some BS.